Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Astra fuel cap. First, find the fuel flap, which is usually on the passenger side of your vehicle. Next, we will locate the release button inside the cabin. Then, I will guide you through safely removing the fuel cap itself. Finally, we will cover how to properly close everything up after refueling. This guide ensures a smooth and easy process every time. To begin, locate the fuel flap on the exterior of your Astra, which is almost always on the passenger side. Once you have found it, move inside the vehicle. Search for a small button or lever, often near the driver's seat or on the dashboard. Press this control firmly, and you should hear a slight click as the fuel flap releases and pops open. With the fuel flap open, you will now see the fuel cap. To remove it, grasp the cap firmly and turn it counterclockwise. You will feel it loosen, and you should hear a series of clicks, indicating it is fully unscrewed. Once loose, lift the cap straight off. Many Astra models have a small hook or holder on the inside of the fuel flap where you can safely place the cap while refueling. Now, insert the fuel nozzle into your Astra's fuel tank, opening and dispense the desired amount of fuel. Once finished, remove the nozzle. To close, replace the fuel cap, turning it clockwise until you hear those familiar clicks, ensuring it is securely tightened. Finally, gently push the fuel flap shut until it clicks firmly into place, securing your fuel tank.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.